Hello everyone, this is CapsLucky from CapsLucky channel, and in this video I am comparing with the Nokia 8 Sirocco versus Nokia 7 Plus versus Nokia 8. So let's get started in a short and a simple way. So shall we? HMD Global held an event today in India to launch the Nokia 8 Sirocco, Nokia 7 Plus and new Nokia 6 smartphones in the country. These smartphones have been launched for Rs 49,999, Rs 25,999 and Rs 16,999 respectively, while the new Nokia 6 will go on sale on April 6. The other two models will up for pre-order starting April 20. And there are many attractive launch offers and cashback offers for the buyers. Design: though this Nokia smartphone looks sleek and stylish, these live up to their brand name and are durable enough. The Nokia 7 Plus, Nokia 8 Sirocco and Nokia 8 are crafted from a single block of 6000 series aluminum and features glass at the front protected with Gorilla Glass. The Nokia 7 Plus has copper edge, while this is not the case with the Nokia 8. On the other hand, the Nokia 8 Sirocco features a stainless steel frame. What's more interesting is that the Nokia 8 Sirocco features 97% Gorilla Glass 5, making it resist the knocks and bumps, while the Nokia 8 is IP54 certified for splash resistance. The Nokia 8 Sirocco is IP67 certificate for dust and water resistance. The Nokia 8 has a home button at the front that can be double as a fingerprint sensor, but the other two models embrace the full screen display trend featuring edge-to-edge display, so there is no home button on them and the fingerprint sensor is at the rear. Display: the Nokia 8 Sirocco boasts a 5.5-inch OLED display with QHD resolution of 2560x1440 pixels and an aspect ratio of 16:9. The Nokia 8 also has a similar resolution and aspect ratio, but it is a 5.3-inch IPS LCD panel. The Nokia 7 Plus dominates this segment with its vivid 6-inch IPS LCD display with a full high-definition plus resolution of 2160x1080 pixels and 18:9 aspect ratio. However, this smartphone lacks the always-on functionality available in the Nokia 8 and Nokia 8 Sirocco. Hardware: both the Nokia 8 and the Nokia 8 Sirocco feature an octa-core Snapdragon 835 SoC, while the Nokia 8 with 4GB RAM and 64GB of internal storage has been launched in India. The Nokia 8 Sirocco has been launched with 6GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. On the other hand, the Nokia 7 Plus comes with an octa-core Snapdragon 660 SoC and has 4GB of RAM and 64GB of internal storage. All the three smartphones come with expandable storage support up to 256GB. The Nokia 8 Sirocco features a 3260 mAh battery with support for QI wireless charging and Quick Charge 4.0 fast charging. The Nokia 8 gets the power from a 3090 mAh battery with Quick Charge 3.0 fast charging. The Nokia 7 Plus has a capacity of 3800 mAh battery with fast charging touted to render 2 days of backup. Camera: the Nokia 8 Sirocco and Nokia 7 Plus features a dual rear camera setup from Jesus Optics, comprises of a 12 megapixel primary sensor with f/1.75 aperture and wide angle lens and a 30 megapixel secondary sensor with 2x optical zoom and f/2.6 aperture. There is a dual tone LED flash along with the rear camera arrangement. At the front, there is a 60 megapixel selfie camera with f/2.0 aperture and Jesus Optics. The Nokia 8 has a dual rear camera setup with the Carol Jesus branding. On the other hand, the Nokia 8 flaunts a 30 megapixel dual lens rear camera setup with RGB and monochrome sensor along with the OIS, PDAF and f/2.0 aperture. There is a 30 megapixel selfie camera with a PDF display flash and a similar aperture. Software: the Nokia 8 Sirocco and Nokia 7 Plus run on Android 8.0 Oreo out of the box and are eligible to get the Android 8.1 Oreo update. The Nokia 8 was launched with Android 7.1.1 Nougat and has received the Android 8.1 Oreo update. All these smartphones are based on Android 1, which gives them a stock Android-like experience. Verdict: while the Nokia 8 Sirocco is priced at Rs 49,999 and the Nokia 7 Plus is priced at Rs 25,999, the Nokia 8 smartphone was launched in India for Rs 36,999. Having said that, the Nokia 7 Plus has a tailored and more vivid display, but on the hardware front, the Nokia 8 and the Nokia 8 Sirocco offer a better performance. Of this, the Nokia 8 Sirocco has increased RAM and storage capacity too. The camera specifications are almost similar and all these phones have the Pro camera mode, face unlock and body feature. So the pricing is the major difference and it depends on your budget. Also, if you want a good battery backup, then the Nokia 7 Plus should be your choice among the trio. For the latest tech news and reviews, follow CapsLucky on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, Google+, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And that's all for now. Keep watching all my tech videos in my channel and make almost